Page number 38.
Yes, Amna, page number 38, child. Useful plants. We started with this lesson. Useful plants. All right. Now, useful plants. Remember, we had just started with this lesson. Useful plants. And plants are very useful. बहुत ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हमारे लिए plants. Plants से आप लोगों ने बताया था हमें बहुत सी चीज़ें मिलती. We get a lot of things from plants. We get fruits, vegetables. Then we get all. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, which page number?
38. 38.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So we get a lot of things from plants. We get medicines, right? So many things are there. And then plants also give us wood, which is used to make the furniture. So many of you are sitting on the bench just now, on your chairs. So many are sitting on the beds. All that is made out of wood, and that wood we get from plants. Plants are our friends. They give us a lot of things, right? And we enjoy the different fruits and vegetables that the plants give us. Yes? All of you like to eat fruits and vegetables. Inaya is saying no. Why, Inaya? Plants don't give us fruits and vegetables? They give us. Yes, they give us fruits and vegetables. We all like to eat a lot of lovely fruits. And then we had also studied that plants, some of the trees, we get gum from that. The glue that we use for sticking, the glue is also got from that. Then we get cotton also from plants.
Ma'am, मेरी दादी ने रोज का plant लगाया है.
Okay, very good. So plants give us many things. Now come to page number 39. Food from plants. We eat different parts of a plant. Now when we started with the lesson, I had told you we eat the different parts of the plant. You already studied in the previous chapter. Parts of the plant, the roots. Come on, count quickly. The parts of the plant. Show me your fingers. Show me your fingers. Roots, stems. Quickly, quickly. Roots, stems, leaves. Yes. What else? Roots, stem, leaves. Then what else?
Fruits and flower.
Yes, roots, stems, flowers, leaves, and what else is there? One more is there. Flowers change into
Fruit.
fruits. Flowers change into fruits. Okay, children, you have to remember whatever you're studying. You have to keep revising it every day. Okay, so now if I tell you कि हम fruit प्लांट के अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं जिसको हम खाते हैं एज फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, बट वी डोंट ईट ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. रूट्स, देयर आर सर्टेन रूट्स विच वी ईट. वी कांट जस्ट पिक अप एनी रूट एंड स्टार्ट ईटिंग. कोई भी प्लांट हम ऐसे उठा के उसका रूट खा नहीं सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स सी ऑन पेज नंबर 39 यू हैव द ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर्स गिवन ओवर देयर. We eat the roots, stems, leaves, fruits and flowers of many plants. The first picture shows you carrots. All of you like to eat carrots, I'm sure. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Those who like to eat carrots. Those who like to eat carrots, give me a thumbs up. Okay, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Which page number?
Page number 39. Page 39. So radish and carrots, they are roots. Then sugar cane and potato, they are the stems of the plant. They are the stems. कौन सा part है वो plant का? They are stems, but we eat them. We eat potato as vegetable and we eat sugar cane. Yes, Prashasti, are you saying something? Prashasti, are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So sugar cane. The other day some of you had told me किसी के घर में गांव में sugar cane लगा भी है. किसी ने बताया था ना क्लास में. You all like to eat sugar cane. बहुत मेहनत लगती है शुगर केन को खाने में. Yes, your teeth have to be strong to bite it and then chew it up. How many of you have
मैम
eaten
मैंने
sugar?
तो खाया था.
Yes, Inaya, you had told, right. How many of you have eaten sugar cane? किसने किसने sugar cane खाया है? Raise your
मैम
hand.
मी.
Raise your
मैम
hands.
मी. मैम.
Just raise your hands.
मैम.
Don't unmute, just raise your hands. Okay, that's very nice. So you must have seen how hard it is. बहुत मेहनत लगती है ना उसको चबाने में, chew करने में. Very hard it is, but you enjoy it because it's very juicy and it's very sweet. Now remember, next time जब आप sugar cane खाएंगे तब आप याद रखिएगा वो plant का कौन सा part है. It is the stem. Okay, and when you are eating the radish and carrots, then remember you are eating the roots. Which part of the plant radish and carrots are? They are the roots. Okay, now next picture shows you the cauliflower. Raise your hand those who have eaten cauliflower and broccoli. Raise your hand if you've eaten cauliflower and broccoli. Hayat, you haven't eaten anything, cauliflower, broccoli? Sakina, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you eaten broccoli and cauliflower?
No.
You haven't eaten? Okay, now you tell mommy to make cauliflower for you. Then have you seen a cauliflower? Sakina, have you seen what is a cauliflower?
Ma'am, I don't like.
You don't like? Oh, but you must like it. Cauliflower is a nice vegetable, very healthy. Okay, and broccoli. Now, when you are going to eat cauliflower and broccoli next time, then you remember you are eating which part of the plant? Kriday, cauliflower and broccoli, which part they are?
Flower.
Flowers. Very good. They are the flowers, right? Now see the next picture, the leaves, the leafy vegetables, all the leafy vegetables that mommy makes. You like to eat? Cabbage, spinach. Yes, those are the leaves of the plants that we eat. Now you will remember, whenever you are eating these vegetables, then you will remember which part of the plant these are. आप सबको याद रखना है जब आप ये सारे वेजिटेबल्स खाएंगे तब आपको याद रखना है ये कौन सा पार्ट है प्लांट का. Okay, and then the last picture is very beautiful. See how colorful it is. We get a variety of fruits and vegetables from plants, right? Now ये हमने बात करी अभी vegetables and fruits की. Now turn the page quickly to page 40, 40. Turn the page, come to page 40. Okay. Now, you will just raise your hand. You will not unmute to the question that I am going to ask you. Listen carefully. मम्मी घर में दाल बनाती हैं. आप लोग खाते हैं दाल? If yes, raise your hand. Okay. मम्मी कभी कभी राजमा भी बनाती हैं, छोला बनाती हैं, चने बनाती हैं. अने मैंने बोला था माइक ऑन नहीं करेंगे. यू विल रेज योर हैंड. ओके, ये सब चीज़ें आप सब ने खाई है? ओके, वेरी गुड, दैट्स नाइस. गिव योर सेल्फ अ टैप. टैप योर सेल्स. Tap yourselves. You are all very good children. Tap yourselves. Good children. All of you like to eat all these things. Now, from where do we get all this? Again from plants. Again we get all this from plants. ये सब चीज़ें जो मम्मी मार्केट से लेकर आती हैं, उसको वॉश करके कुक करती हैं आपके लिए, ये सब चीज़ें प्लांट से मिलती हैं हमें. सोचिए कितना मेहनत करनी पड़ती है ना. प्लांट्स, द फार्मर ग्रोज ऑल दीज क्रॉप्स एंड देन सब कुछ रेडी हो के आपको मार्केट से मिलता है. मम्मी जस्ट हैज टू गो टू द मार्केट एंड बाय. ओके, सो प्लांट्स आर आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. दे गिव अस लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. Imagine what will happen when we have no plants. People are cutting down trees everywhere. There will be such a lot of problem. Now look at the pictures given over there. See the first picture. Now in the first picture you can see the different dals. You can see the rajmas. You can see the chola. You can see the chana. Okay. Now rajma and छोला that is चना, उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? अगर किसी को नाम पता है तो हाथ उठाओ. Raise your hand if you know the name of rajma. What is rajma called in English? Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, kidney beans. Ma'am, kidney beans.
Kidney beans. Very good. Rajma is known as kidney beans.
Ma'am, kidney beans.
You know it is known as yes, Anaya.
Ma'am,
Kidney beans because
beans.
it is in the shape of our
Kidney beans.
it is in the shape of our kidneys which is there in our body. We have kidneys in our body and this rajma is in that shape. That is why it's given the name kidney beans. Right? And now, does anyone know what is chana called in English? Okay, I'll tell you. Chana is known as gram. Chana is known as gram. चना को हम लोग इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं ग्राम. राइट? एंड ऑल द दाल्स दैट यू ईट. मम्मी अलग अलग दाल लाती है ना, येलो कलर की दाल, रेड कलर की दाल, ब्लैक कलर की दाल, different color dals mummy brings. No, you must have seen mummy sometimes in the kitchen cooking. They are called pulses. So plants give us cereals, pulses, and see the last picture, you have oil. Mummy uses the oil to make your vegetables, to cook all the vegetables. Yes. So plants give us the oil also, children. Now see, plants give us cereals, pulses and oil. The first line on page number 4040. The first line on page number 40 says, plants give us cereals, pulses and oil. Now see the second line. The next line says, cereals are the grains of different plants that we can eat. Cereals are the grains of different plants that we can eat. Now what happens? Cereals जो होते हैं, grains, छोटे छोटे grains जो plant में निकलते हैं, okay, in the plants. एंड उसको फिर बाद में जब वो सूखते हैं उसको निकाला जाता है और कलेक्ट करके सब मार्केट भेजा जाता है. एंड देन दे आर पैक्ड. दे आर इन पॉट्स. यू नो दीज सीरियल्स, दे आर द ग्रेन्स. They are the grains of the plants that we can eat. And pulses means the dals. They are the seeds of the different plants. Plants के छोटे छोटे seeds हैं. They are the seeds, little seeds that we eat. The pulses are the seeds of the different plants that we can eat. And then you have the different pictures given here. See here. Look at the first picture. It says pulses we eat. Kidney beans, ग्रीन ग्राम. ना ग्रीन ग्राम जो हरा वाला चना होता है ना, मम्मी कभी कभी ग्रीन वाला चना भी लेकर आती है. देखा है कभी किसी ने? हैव यू सीन द ग्रीन ग्राम? नहीं देखा है. बिग ग्रीन लीव्स, स्मॉल लीव्स आते हैं और बड़ी बड़ी वो पूरी उसकी दैट एंटायर बंच इज ब्रोकन. ग्रीन कलर का चना होता है, उसको बोलते हैं ग्रीन ग्राम. एंड देन ब्लैक ग्राम जो काला वाला चना होता है, ब्लैक वाला छोटा वाला, दैट इज ब्लैक ग्राम. राइट? देन cereals we eat. See the next picture. Rice, wheat, maize. Rice, wheat, maize. Cereals are the grains. जो धान होता है ना, जिसको धान बोलते हैं. Look here, look at the picture. इस तरह से इसके अंदर से जो निकाला जाता है उसको सीरियल्स बोलते हैं। दोज आर दे आर राइस, व्हीट, मेज, ये सब हमारे सीरियल्स हैं। टीवी सीरियल्स नहीं, नॉट द टीवी सीरियल्स, दोज आर डिफरेंट। ये खाने वाले सीरियल्स हैं एंड द स्पेलिंग इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट, यू हैव टू लर्न आउट द स्पेलिंग, राइट। Then oils we use, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, etc. You know sunflower oil? Have you heard of sunflower oil? Sunflower से भी oil बनता है। Then groundnut oil जो होता है that is with peanuts. You know what are peanuts? You know what are peanuts? Okay, do you know what is?
मैम मूंगफली।
मूंगफली, yes, peanuts are मूंगफली। उसको हम मंकी नट्स भी बोलते हैं, पीनट्स, राइट, पीनट्स, वी गेट पीनट ऑयल। Arham, what's happened? Arham, what happened? Any problem? Okay, so we get oil also from plants. Now there are some more things that we get from plants. Look at the pictures given down here. See, look at these pictures, children. Look at these beautiful pictures given here. We also get tea, coffee and spices from plants. Tea, coffee and spices. Spices किसको बोलते हैं? टी, कॉफी सबको पता है, you all know। चाय की पत्ती हमें
मैम मसालों को बोलते हैं।
ओके, स्पाइसेस आर मसाले, स्पाइसेस आर मसाले, वो भी हमें प्लांट से मिलते हैं। टी लीव्स, चाय की पत्ती हमें प्लांट से मिलती है। कॉफ़ी वी गेट फ्रॉम द कॉफ़ी बीन्स। टीवी पर ऐड देखा होगा सबने, कोको का ऐड सबने देखा है, ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके, सो वी गेट कॉफ़ी फ्रॉम द कॉफ़ी बीन्स, द कॉफ़ी पॉड्स, उसके अंदर से निकाला जाता है, फिर उसको प्रोसेस किया जाता है एंड देन यू गेट द रेडी मटीरियल टू मेक योर कॉफ़ी। यस, देन वी गेट स्पाइसेस लाइक टर्मरिक, pepper and cloves and many more spices are there which we get from plants, children. Spices हम बोलते हैं मसाले को। मम्मी खाना बनाती हैं उसमें मसाले डालती हैं ना। यस, आपने कभी देखा है मम्मी को किचन में काम करते हुए? इफ यस, रेज योर हैंड, गिव मी अ थम्स अप। हसन, मम्मी को किचन में काम करते देखा है कभी? ओके, ही इज रेजिंग हिज हैंड। ओके, गुड। सो यू हैव सीन मम्मी यूजेस ऑल द मसालास। वो सारे मसाले जो होते हैं उसको हम लोग इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं स्पाइसेस, स्पाइसेस, एंड दे हैव डिफरेंट नेम्स, दे हैव डिफरेंट नेम्स। टर्मरिक, येलो कलर का एक मसाला होता है पाउडर, उसको हिंदी में हल्दी बोलते हैं, इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट टर्मरिक, राइट। देन पेपर, पेपर इज काली मिर्च। देखिए, मम्मी को कभी सुना है यूज करते ये वर्ड काली मिर्च? दैट्स ब्लैक पेपर। Rudraksh is giving a thumbs up. He has heard. Okay, so Rudraksh goes to the kitchen with mummy. That means very good. Hriday is also giving a thumbs up. Ronak is also giving thumbs up. Today you tell mummy to show you the spices at home. All right, Hassan, pay attention. You ask mummy to show you the spices at home. Then you can see what are the lovely spices that the plants give us. और उससे खाना कितना टेस्टी बनता है। क्लोव्स, क्लोव्स जो होती है, मम्मी से बोलना आज आपको क्लोव दिखाएंगी। क्लोव इज लॉन्ग, ओके, एंड इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑल्सो। कभी कभी क्लोव्स हम लोग एज अ मेडिसिन भी यूज़ करते हैं। सो यू टेल मम्मी टुडे, आज मम्मी के साथ किचन में जाकर विजिट करेंगे। ओके, सब मम्मी के साथ आज किचन विजिट करेंगे। क्लासेस फिनिश होने के बाद सब मम्मी के साथ किचन विजिट करेंगे और मम्मी से बोलेंगे किचन में जो स्पाइसेस हैं, ओके, एंड पल्सेस, जितनी दाल है, सीरियल, ये सब चीज़ें मम्मी से बोलिएगा आज आपको किचन विजिट कराकर ये सब चीज़ें किचन में दिखाएंगी। Okay, then you will come to know that plants are our very good friends. कितनी चीजें हमें plants से मिलती हैं, right? Will you do it, children, today? Will you tell mummy to show you all these things in the kitchen? Okay, very good. Fine. Now look at good to know. We all love chocolates. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. It takes 3 to 5 years for a cocoa tree to bear fruit. The fruit of the cocoa tree grows directly from the trunk. Now all of you like to eat chocolates, yes? Everybody likes chocolates? Yes? Give me a thumbs up quickly then. Okay, that's nice. You all like to eat chocolates. Now we all like to eat chocolates, but आपको पता है चॉकलेट के लिए कितनी मेहनत होती है? It takes 3 to 5 years for a cocoa tree to bear the fruit. 3 to 5 years लगता है कोको फ्रूट को ग्रो होने में, और उसके बाद वो फ्रूट को लेकर उससे चॉकलेट्स बनाई जाती है। और हम लोग को कितना इजी लगता है ना, मार्केट से बाय करके बस खा लेते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत है ना। 3 to 5 years it takes. Okay, all right. Now the exercises on page number 41. Exercises on page number 41. We eat all plants. Exercise 1. True or false? We'll do it verbally quickly. We eat all plants. हम लोग जितने plants हैं वो सब खा लेते हैं. True or false? अगर हमें कहीं पे भी कोई प्लांट दिखेगा उसको तोड़ के क्या हम लोग खा सकते हैं? Can we eat it? No.
False, ma'am.
False. Okay. False. Very good. We get rubber from plants. We get rubber from plants. True or false? True. Omash is giving thumbs up. Very good. Very good. Pepper and cloves are spices. Pepper and cloves are spices. True.
True.
Nipun, sit straight and do your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
True.
Pulses are grains that we eat.
Ma'am, false.
Pulses are the seeds, so it is false. We do not eat roots of plants. हम plants के roots नहीं खाते हैं. True or false? अगर हम plants के roots नहीं खाते हैं, अगर हम plants के roots नहीं खाते तो हम radish और carrot कैसे खाते हैं?
Ma'am, false.
False. So okay, very good. Now you can take your break, children. Take your break. We'll meet again in the next period for maths. Right? Take your break. Go to the washroom. Have water. Thank you.